Population refers to an entire group of people who want or need information, while sample refers to a part of the population that you take out or exclude. In random sampling, it allows all the units in the population to have an equal chance of being selected. There are actually 4 types of random sampling. First, we have simple random sampling, systematic random sampling, cluster or area random sampling, and lastly, we have stratified random sampling. And in this video, we are going to explore stratified random sampling. But first, let's identify what exactly is stratified random sampling. Well, stratified random sampling is a method of sampling that involves the division of a population into smaller subgroups known as strata, while samples are also randomly selected separately from each other's stratum. And now, let's proceed on how we can use stratified random sampling step by step. In this video, I will be a little researcher, and my goal is to apply stratified random sampling and to compute for the number of respondents per stratum. And now, let's begin. We are doing a research about the ineffectiveness of online learning, and we need 100 high school students to answer our surveys. Step 1. We should first identify the population and the number of students per grade level. There are a total of 9 sections in high school department, and these are the number of students per section, and there are a total of 251 students in high school department. And lastly, we have the total number of students per stratum. And now, let's have a quick recall. There are a total of 56 learners in grade 7, a total of 72 learners in grade 8, a total of 60 learners in grade 9, a total of 63 learners in grade 10, and a total of 215 learners in the high school department. After we have gathered our data, our next step is to create and label our table. We label our first column strata, followed by MPS or members per stratum, followed by a solution with the formula of members per stratum all over total numbers of students times our sample. And lastly, we label our last column number of samples per stratum. After labeling, we shall now complete our table. We'll input first our strata, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, and grade 10, followed by the members per stratum. In grade 7, we have 56 learners, 72 learners in grade 8, 60 learners in grade 9, and 63 learners in grade 10, and a total of 251 students in high school department. Your solution should look like this: 56 divided by 251 times 100. But wait, you must be wondering where we get 100. Well, 100 there is our high school students need to answer our surveys, and they are our sample or respondents. And we got an answer 22.31. 72 divided by 251 times 100 is equal to 28.68. 60 divided by 251 times 100 is equal to 23.90. 63 divided by 251 times 100 is equivalent to 25.09. But wait, these are not yet our final answer. We should always get the absolute value of the number of samples per stratum. Therefore, 22.31 is equivalent to 22. 28.68 is equal to 29. 23.90 is equal to 24. And 25.09 is equal to 26. And after getting all the absolute values, we shall now add all the absolute values and should be equivalent to our sample, which is 100. And for our fourth and last step, we should not forget to conclude everything. Therefore, we have 22 students in grade 7, 29 students in grade 8, 24 students in grade 9, 25 students in grade 10 who will join and answer our surveys. And that is how you use stratified random sampling.